And so, how do you help a person with these wounded parts? What kinds of modalities do you use, and how do they help to shift the overdrive that the person's experiencing from the parts?
So there's the parts work itself, increasing that connection, understanding, empathy of this sort of internal system, giving someone a language to connect with what it is that's going on inside them. And then there's also the EMDR aspect. Now, this on-process trauma is stuck in the trauma part of the brain, and it's thoughts, feelings, emotions, memories, body stuff, whatever it is in there. It's stuck in that trauma part of the brain in like a big jumble. If you were to sort of like picture like a manila folder and just like papers splayed everywhere, that's what it's like in there. It's a hot mess. And we not only is it a big jumble in there, but because it's sort of stored in this trauma part of the brain, we can't get at it with the psychological resources that we would use to help with other memories. And so what EMDR does is it allows us to take that unprocessed trauma stuff out of the trauma part of the brain, putting it into working memory, where we can take those bites out of it, process it, digest it, access it with those psychological resources. And then in processing it, it becomes part of long-term memory, where it becomes part of our cohesive narrative. You'll always remember the facts. You'll always have that, but the memory or the target doesn't have that same bite or charge that it once had. It doesn't have its claws in you. We're not erasing memories or anything like that. But when we sort of look at that piece, it doesn't cause that like immediate charged response. It becomes smooth, just like any other memory.